Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always see our updated inventory online at www.southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. Bought this car locally from a gentleman. Car was completely restored in 2013, 2014. Beautiful car. It's finished in Tuxedo black. The original color was actually black cherry. He changed it to Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. It's got a 69 date coated 396 375 horse engine in it. Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt rear end. Gorgeous car, guys. You will be hard pressed to find a nicer drive-in 1970 Chevelle. It goes down the road, doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle, doesn't shimmy, shake. I mean, just a gorgeous car. It's got the 15-inch SS rallies all the way around it with the Cooper Cobras, operable cowl hood. Pretty car. Chrome and stainless are very nice. It's got, of course, it's got the white Super Sport striping on it. Not a whole lot for me to really pick on the car, guys. Just a great car. Again, it's got the functional cowl hood, the hood pins. Got a bunch of receipts in the trunk on the restoration, guys. Pretty car. It's got gorgeous black paint on it. The car is nice and flat. Beautiful car. And I apologize, guys. I know we've been slow getting cars advertised, and then of course Leroy or Jason sell them before I get them advertised, but it's just, we're just busy, guys. Again, we got a small crew. I don't have 20 guys here. Sorry, guys, just some, in fact, that right there is just a little wax on the car, but it's just the four of us here, and you know, we do the best we can as fast as we can do it. And I know some guys have been upset because cars got sold before they ever got advertised, but you know, we're here to sell them, not advertise them, and I'm not going to turn down somebody buying a car. I can honestly tell you this car was almost sold this afternoon while we're pulling it out to do the ad to it. Front disc brakes. Again, not a matching numbers car, but it is a 69 date coated block. It's 396, 375 horse, Holley 754 barrel. You can see it's got the Winters or the GM aluminum intake in it. Rectangular port heads, Hedman headers, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power front disc brakes. Detailed up really nice underneath the hood. Pretty car. New mirrors, new door handles, all new door rubbers, new windows fuzzies. All new black vinyl interior, new sill plates, new carpet. Bucket seats. It's got the tilt column with the Hurst shifter in it, the SS steering wheel. It's got all the seat belts in it. Factory tach and gauge car. It's showing 18,980. The original miles will be 118. Obviously, that's not what's on the restoration since it was just completed in 2014. It's got H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. I believe passenger, was it the passenger side? I think the passenger side quarter has been changed. They put a full-length quarter on it though when they did it. I'm sorry. Jay said the passenger's original. I'm sorry, I misspoke. It's actually the driver's side that was replaced. There's a spare in there. This is all your paperwork. This is all the receipts on the restoration. Again, it's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Gorgeous car, guys. And like I say, really an unbelievable driving car. See the new fuel tank. Car's detailed up really nice underneath the car. Seats are gorgeous. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel's in great shape. Got an aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. Have Jay fired up. Sorry guys, putting these hood pins in one-handed. You can see the cowl hood does work. Yeah, I think the light's on. I don't know if you can see it. Try that again. There you go.
That one's not working.
What is that?
That's the voltage.
Voltage gauge is not working, guys. Anything else over there?
Temp gauge works.
Temp and gas gauge works. Speedo works. Parking brake. Parking brake does work. Radio works, guys. Blower motor, Jake.
Yep.
Does work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, that is a pretty car, man. Have a great day, guys.